Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power. Put in fresh batteries or a fully charged battery pack and secure it. Press and hold the Xbox button for 3 to 5 seconds and observe the LED. A blink versus steady light tells you a lot. Make sure battery contacts and the pack clip are clean and seated. Dirt or a loose contact often stops the controller powering. Once done, try a quick sync attempt with the console to separate power issues from wireless link problems. Next, perform systematic resets. Fully shut down the console, unplug it for 10 to 20 seconds, then restart to clear transient errors. For the controller, remove batteries and hold the Xbox button for 10 seconds to drain residual charge and reset internal state, then reinsert power. Try pairing using a USB cable first. A wired connection rules out RF issues. If wired works, press the console sync button, then the controller sync within 10 seconds to re-establish wireless registration. Finally, update firmware. Connect the controller by USB and run the accessory firmware update in console settings because outdated firmware can block power-on behaviors. If updates don't help, test the controller on another Xbox or a PC. Isolating the device tells you whether the controller hardware is at fault. If the controller still won't power, replace the battery pack or seek professional repair. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent power returns, prioritize a battery pack replacement before pursuing costly repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.